Good evening. Welcome to Washington. I'm Brett Baer. Critics pursuing the political scalp of Hillary Clinton have new reason to sharpen their rhetorical knives tonight. In a moment, the connection between Bill and Hillary Clinton and the massive money at stake in one Caribbean country. First, more fallout over how the Clintons, whether by design or default, helped Russia nail down a huge stake in America's uranium industry. Tonight, there are questions about whether the 2016 contender could face legal peril. Chief Washington correspondent James Rosen has the latest.
President Obama's spokesman couldn't have made it any plainer that he's losing patience with having to defend Hillary Clinton from the White House podium.
And there is a spokesperson that Secretary Clinton has hired that can answer these questions.
Yet the White House still joined the Clinton campaign in dismissing as pure partisanship the new book by Peter Schweizer entitled Clinton Cash, which has unleashed a torrent of disclosures about the Clinton Foundation's foreign money streams and triggered fresh allegations of conflict of interest surrounding those donations and the Clintons themselves.
Other to put it mildly, conservative authors that have written books based on what they purport to be serious allegations against the President of the United States. And I'm often in the position of responding to those incidents and trying to defend the President from accusations that are not rooted or accompanied by any evidence. My point is that right now that's what's happening to Secretary Clinton.
The foundation controversy follows Clinton's admissions last month that she only used a private email account as Secretary of State and recently deleted 30,000 of those emails. The House Speaker was asked on Bloomberg Politics if he would move for the House to subpoena Clinton's mysterious email server.
If we need to do that, we may have to.
The double whammy of document destruction and possible financial impropriety, especially the matter of why the State Department under Clinton's leadership green-lighted a foreign deal that enriched major donors to the foundation and wound up placing at least 20% of America's uranium supply under Russian control, have led lawyers with experience in public integrity cases to tell Fox News that the 2016 Democratic frontrunner could conceivably face a new criminal inquiry under Title 18 of the U.S. Criminal Code, Section 201, which deems it bribery when a public official directly or indirectly demands, seeks, receives, accepts, or agrees to receive or accept anything of value personally for or because of any official act performed or to be performed by such official.
If she did, I think there is going to be a high likelihood of additional scrutiny, either from Capitol Hill or from the Department of Justice itself.
Clinton's campaign and supporters say she had nothing to do with the uranium deal and has never taken any official action to benefit the foundation's donors.
The people on that board, 9 agencies, approved the deal, and the individual from state said, never heard from Mrs. Clinton. There's no evidence that President Clinton, that I've seen yet, tried to influence any decision by any governmental agency.
In the tangle of cases brought to light by the book Clinton Cash, no one associated with the Clinton Foundation has been formally accused of wrongdoing. But the Clintons are veterans of this terrain. Mrs. Clinton, after all, became the first Lady to testify before a grand jury, Brett, way back in 1996.